Hello dear students, we have already learned what is exponential form and how to write a number in or a product in exponential form. Now today let us see where do we use exponential form. Okay, see in lower classes we have learned to expand the numbers. Okay, in lower classes we learned to expand using numbers only. Now today we will learn how to expand the numbers using exponential form. For example, here we have a number 38,467. Now in lower class we learn to write like this. 3 multiplied by, see what is the place value of 3? 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 3 multiplied by 10,000 plus 8 multiplied by 1000 plus 4 multiplied by 100 plus 6 multiplied by 10 plus 7 multiplied by 1. This is how we have learned in lower classes. Now today we will use exponential form for writing this. How to write? See here 3 will remain as it is 3. But this number 10,000 can be written as the product of 10 or repeatedly multiplying 10. That is 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. How many times? 4 times. So 3 into 10 raised to 4 plus 8 into 1000 can be written as 10 raised to 3. 4 into 100 can be written as 10 raised to 2 plus 6 into 10 raised to 1. I told you 10 raised to 1. Whenever the power is 1, usually we don't mention it. Okay. And then 7 into 1. 7 into 1 is 7 into 10 raised to 0. Okay. So this is how we write the numbers in expanded form using exponential form. Okay, now when it is decimal numbers, you see here 894.7849. So how will you write this? 8 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 4 into 1 plus 7. Now see, we have reached 1. So 7 into 1 upon 10. 7 into 1 upon 10 plus 8 into 1 upon 100 plus 4 into 1 upon 1000 plus 9 into 1 upon 10,000. So this number also can be written using exponential form. How will you write? 8 into 100 can be written as 10 square plus 9 into 10 plus 4 into 10 raised to 0 plus 7 into 10 raised to minus 1 plus 8 into 10 raised to minus 2 plus 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 plus 9 into 10 raised to minus 4. See the whole number, this number can be expanded using exponential form like this. Now try to write this number in the exponential form yourself. Okay. Now we have already learned when the power is negative how to write the numbers. Now for operations of all the exponential form, certain rules are there. So let us learn the laws of exponents one by one. The first rule is for finding the product rule. Okay. Now first we will take an example, we will work out and then we will derive the rule. Now you see here when we have to multiply 2 raised to 3 multiplied by 2 raised to 2. What is special about it? both of them have same base. Okay, exponents can be any number or any integer. Now then, how will you multiply these two numbers? As usual, when we multiply 2 raised to 2 into 2 into 2, again 2 into 2. So what do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2 raised to 5, which is equal to 2 raised to 3 plus 2. Means when we have to multiply two powers with same base, what do? We write the base as it is and add the exponents. So in general, if you have to multiply a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n, here the bases are same, exponents are any number. So how will you write it? It is equal to a raised to, the base will remain same and the power we need to add. This is the first law of exponent. Now it is similar or it is same when it is rational numbers also. That is, if you have a by b whole raised to m into a by b whole raised to n, that is equal to a by b whole raised to m plus n. For any numbers, the rule is the same. Okay, so this is the first rule, which is called the product rule. Okay, this we have already learned in class 7. Now the second one is quotient rule, that is division. When we have to divide an exponential form by another exponential form or a power by another power, how to do it? Let us see the example first. How will you divide? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and then we need to divide by 2 into 2. You know how to divide. What did you get? 2 raised to 3, which is equal to 2 raised to 5 minus 2. So we got here, if you take example, in general, that is a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to a raised to m minus n. Okay. Now here this is possible because 5 is greater than 2. Now if the quotient, when we find a quotient where the denominator is having a power greater than the numerator, how will you do it? See here, 2 into 2 into 2 upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Similar way we cancel it. Okay. So we got 1 upon 2 raised to 2, which is equal to 1 upon, how will you get 2? 5 minus 3. So 1 upon 2 raised to 5 minus 3. Okay. That is, if this is possible if when m is greater than n. That is, the first exponent is greater than the second exponent. But here m is less than n. So in that case, a raised to m divided by a raised to n is equal to 1 upon a raised to n minus m when n is greater than m. You see here m is 3 and n is 5. So here we got 5 minus 3, that is n minus m when n is greater. That means you get a negative power. Okay. So this is the second rule a raised to m divided by a raised to n is a raised to m minus n when m is greater than n, and it is equal to 1 upon a raised to n minus m when n is greater than m. Okay, these are the first two rules of exponents or exponential laws. That's all for today. In the next class, we will learn the remaining laws of exponents. Thank you.